What's the meaning of Aston University? Aston University. Aston University.
Aston University. Aston University. Aston University is a public research university located in Birmingham, England. It was founded in 1895 and initially focused on training skilled workers for industry. Today, it offers a range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses across various disciplines, including business, engineering, social sciences, and languages. The university is recognized for its strong links with industry and entrepreneurship, offering opportunities for students to gain practical experience and develop valuable skills. It has also been ranked highly for graduate employability and student satisfaction.